Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I'm going to try out the new and improved Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid. This was formerly known as the Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. They made some changes to it. This is the new product, so I wanted to give it a try and see how it turned out. So if you want to see how this foundation worked out for me, you're in the right place. But before we get started, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Also, if you haven't hit the notification bell, but you are subscribed, make sure that you have that notification bell checked. That way you will be notified when I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's find out how this worked out. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Well, for starters, I want to apologize to all of you for not getting any videos up last week. I have been so sick, as has my husband. Today's the first day I feel kind of human again since before Christmas. I started coming down with it like the day before Christmas, so not fun. But I'm on the mend, starting to feel better. It's just like it hit me. I had it before and then hit me again, so hopefully this will be the last of it. Also, if I sound a little bit nasally or if I'm sniffing, I'm sorry. I'm going to try not to do that, but no guarantees. So anyway, today we are trying out the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. Now, this took the place of formerly known as the Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation. So they did away with that one. They still, I believe, have the matte mousse one that comes in a little jar. But this one, they went with a satin finish on it and changed a few things up in it, so I thought I would give it a try. You do get 1 fluid ounce. It comes in 12 colors, and it runs a little around $7, a little more depending on where you pick it up. Here is what they say about it. It says, the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation, formerly Dream Liquid Mousse, has a new look. Lightweight, breathable, medium to full coverage foundation with hyaluronic acid for all-day moisture. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and has an ultra-smooth, creamy foundation that conceals lines for a look of airbrushed, natural perfection in poreless skin. It says you can use your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. So as always, I will use a brush on one side and a sponge on the other. This is actually my second time filming it because I got all the way to putting it on and realized I didn't hit record. So I'm so glad I'm recording now. So my brush and sponge are a little bit dirty, so you'll have to forgive me for that. So I'm going to pump it out. So that is what the consistency looks like. You can see it's not that moussey texture. It does feel very hydrating on your skin, and I have had a chance to wear this one other time, so I know how it performed throughout the day. So I'll share all that at the end of the video. To be quite honest with you, it is 9:51 when I'm filming this at night. I just decided that now was the time to get in here and film something, or else I don't know when I would get around to doing it. By the way, I did moisturize and put on my primers prior to doing this. Again. Also, I'm using the Juno sponge. I found this one is another style they have. They're also carrying a pink one now, which I just ordered. This one is great for doing my powder, so I'm going to leave links down below. You can either get this separately, or they actually have a 4-pack where you get 2 of each. I think it was like $18 on Amazon, and it's Prime too, so you get your free shipping. What a deal, because they sell it for like $6 on their website. Okay, I'm going to use my Morphe Y6 brush. I'm going to go in with just tapping motions. I didn't use a brush when I wore it the other day. I guess it was before Christmas when I wore it. I haven't been wearing makeup. So my skin, you would think, would be happy with me right now, but it's not. Kind of started getting some texture. I don't know if it went into shock or what. Also didn't help that with whatever it is I had, I would be chilled 1 second and then sweating the next. Oh, it was a mess. Okay, so that is one layer. And again, sponge side and the brush side. So let me grab my mirror and we'll look a little bit closer. Definitely has a satin finish. It's a high medium coverage, I would say, with one layer. My skin's been so dehydrated too, so I'm trying to drink a lot of water. I'm going to go in with just a teeny bit more right in here. That's always my problem area, and I think I'm going to go with the sponge. I could get a little bit better coverage. My goal tonight is to film 3 videos. This is going to be the second video. My hair. Okay, let's take a look again. It does feel indeed very, very moisturizing. I can tell you from when I wore it before, I definitely needed to set it because it did not dry down. It remained really tacky. But this looks so good. Okay, I really like this. Let me zoom you in real quick and get a close-up. All right, so again, this is the sponge side and the brush side with the sponge again, a little bit in there. So you can see how it's not going into my fine lines, my marionette lines just a little bit, but that's because I haven't set it yet. So let me do that. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and finish up all my makeup and I will be right back. All right, guys, this is the finished look now that I have all of my makeup on. And I have to tell you, I really, 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 really like this one. I'm going to tell you a little story. When I wore this the last time, it was a few days before Christmas. I had to go to the mall and exchange a few things, and I went to pick up some Sephora gift cards, so I ran into Sephora, and I was wearing this. And I never get any help from any of the employees in there. They just don't ever approach me for some odd reason. But I had a lady walk up to me, and she asked if I was doing okay and needed any help. I told her I was doing fine. And she goes, you know, I just have to tell you, I came up to let you know your skin just looks absolutely beautiful. And I said, well, thank you very much. She goes, now, are you wearing Dior? Are you wearing La Mer? Or is it Giorgio or Armani? And I went, I'm wearing drugstore foundation. And she got this look of shock over her face. She kind of got me closer to the side and away from other people. And she goes, you're wearing drugstore? And I said, yeah. I told her what it was and that I was wearing the Joa powder with it. And she's like, I have got to go get that. That just looks absolutely beautiful. And then she goes, well, you know, I wonder how I'll do on my skin because I'm actually older than you. And I said, well, how old are you? And she goes, I'm 55. I said, well, I'm 58. So no, I'm older than you. And this is what it looks like on my skin. And she goes, okay, now I definitely have to go get this. So if I get a compliment from a Sephora employee like that, you know this stuff looks really, really good. And it does. Again, you really want to powder this. I would not recommend not doing that. It's going to move around a little bit. But this is how it's going to look at the end of the day. So it does not wrinkle up in here. My marionette lines, which always get a little bit of creasing, can't help it. I smile, you get the wrinkles there. So those look great. It just looks so beautiful and natural and skin-like. It doesn't dry out your skin at all. Again, with the hyaluronic acid in it, I just think it gives that little bit of extra moisture to your skin. It just like plumps everything up and makes it feel so hydrated throughout the day. So, it did not oxidize on me whatsoever. So I will definitely be wearing this one a lot. It's one I highly recommend that you get. So I will leave links down below to everything that I have on my face today. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you do that. Also hit that notification bell. That would be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Unless I'm sick like I have been. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, recommendations of products you want me to try out, especially some foundations, please leave me some comments down below. I am so far behind on getting caught up on responding to messages, and I'm so sorry. It's just, I have been so sick that I haven't done anything. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. As always, I love you, and bye-bye.